2021, 22nd December 2021, terrorists targeted and killed a property dealer, namely Rauf Ahmed, in Safakadal area. After the incident, Srinagar police started investigation into this killing. During the course of investigation, movement of some suspects was detected in Srinagar city. Based on further analysis and credible human intelligence, Srinagar police detected suspicious movement of terrorists in Baghat, Barjala area. On this, Srinagar police, along with CRPF, laid special nakas and apprehended two suspects, two terrorists. Later on, we came to know, apprehended two terrorists of proscribed terrorist organization TRF, MGF, an offshoot of LET and JEM, near Barjala Bridge. The arrested terrorists have been identified as: number 1, Suhail Qadir Khande, son of Ghulam Qadir Khande, resident of Tral, Pulwama. Second, Suhail Mushtaq Waza, son of Mushtaq Ahmed Waza, resident of Niklura, Pulwama. Both are active terrorists, already graded as in our gradation list of terrorists. During the further search, 2 pistols along with 2 pistol magazines and 30 pistol bullets were recovered on spot. On further questioning of terrorists, incriminating material, arms and ammunition including 2 pistols, 6 pistol magazines, 69 rounds, 2 pistol silencers have been recovered from their hideouts in Srinagar city. So far, 4 pistols, 8 pistol magazines, 99 live rounds, 2 pistol silencers have been recovered in the case and have been displayed in front of you. They further identified 2 associates, namely Basit Bilal Makaya, son of Bilal Ahmed Makaya, resident of Kamarabad, Kamarwari, and Naiku Imam Nisar, son of Farooq Ahmed Bhatt, resident of Kilura, Shopia, who were operating with them as OGWs. Both associates have been arrested. In this connection, case FIR number 08/2021 of Sadar Police Station under section 725 of the Arms Act and sections 18-23 of Unlawful Activity Prevention Act has been registered in Police Station Sadar, South Zone, Srinagar. During the questioning, the arrested terrorists disclosed that they were operating in the Srinagar city on the directions of one person, namely Asif Makbul Dar, resident of MIG Colony, Babina, at present Dammam, Saudi Arabia, and Mr. Sajjad Gul, resident of HMT Parimpura, at present Pakistan. Should I repeat or clear? One. During the questioning, the arrested terrorists disclosed that they were operating in Srinagar city on the directions of one person, namely Asif Makbul Dar, resident of MIG Colony, Bamina, at present Dammam, Saudi Arabia, and Sajjad Gul, resident of HMT Parimpura, at present Pakistan. Both the handlers from Saudi Arabia and Pakistan were providing weapons and money through a network of OGWs that is being identified. This module has also done recce of security installations like NIA office at Delhi, Delhi Police Headquarters, etc., and shared same with their handlers in Pakistan. As per the investigation, the targets in city for killings were also selected and conveyed to them by Dr. Asif and Mr. Sajjad Gul. Suhail Qadir Khande was working in Saudi Arabia with Dr. Asif Dar, and in August 2021, on the directions of Dr. Asif, he came back and started working as an operative of TRF and MGF for coordinating the collection of arms, ammunition, money and terror attacks in Srinagar city. That is on our side. A copy of press release will be distributed among you all. You will see the boost in policing also, ground presence also. Definitely